Creating high-quality AI-generated images and videos used to be complex, but with Kling AI, it's effortless. Let's start with generating images. Simply click on the AI Images section and enter a text description that reflects your vision. Next, choose the aspect ratio and the number of images you would like to generate. With everything set, hit Generate. In moments, you will have a gallery of stunning AI-generated images ready for you to explore. But we are just getting started. Next, we are diving into dynamic video creation. Begin by entering a text prompt that outlines your concept. Then, set your creativity level. Choose your mode, video length, aspect ratio, and the number of generations you need. Once your preferences are in place, click Generate and watch as Kling AI transforms your prompt into a fully realized video. You can preview your video before downloading, ensuring that every detail is just how you want it. Whether you need quick visuals or fully produced videos, Kling AI delivers exceptional results with minimal effort. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.